Good morning, Stephanie and Chloe. Hi there. Welcome to Cedar Paradise. The moment you purchased your home, you joined our wonderful Homeowners Association, whether you wanted to or not. The HOA is here to take care of you. You give us money, and in return, we maintain all the beauty you see around us. And if you don't pay up, we'll turn your fucking life upside down. So let me show you the neighborhood. Here at Cedar Paradise, each of our lawns requires, somewhere on the property, 1 tree, 6 3-gallon shrubs, 1 bird bath, a garden gnome, a second gnome, for that one to talk to, a third one they ignore, 1 Victorian child playing hopscotch, and an American flag. But no benches.
Please, no!
Eat shit, Ted! When you join an HOA, you're really joining a community that looks after each other. And as your elected representative, I make sure to take a hands-on approach. Ah, novelty mailbox. That's a violation. Oh, yeah, that's a violation. Wind chimes. Gross. 3 violations. Nope, I don't care for that tree. That's a violation. Whew. 16 and a 15. That's another $1,000, Ken!
Fuck you!
And Ken isn't the only one who appreciates everything the HOA does.
Fuck the HOA. Fascist sons of bitches.
They found my shed by strapping a GoPro to a raccoon. A damn raccoon.
Some white people bullshit.
Apparently my cans are too visible when they're parked up there, but you'd have to turn your neck like this to even see them, and I don't know what else I'm supposed to do at this point. Ah!
Hey, Pam. Cans aren't allowed to go down to the curb until 4 p.m. on trash day. It's 3:57.
How long have you been in there?
Pam, this is recycle only.
I know, but...
Pam.
I know.
You know this, Pam.
I know.
Up! No broken glass on the driveway. That's another fine.
Are you allowed to do that?
There's nothing in the rules that says I can't.
These rules are stupid. I don't...
What did you say?
Nothing. Nothing. Have a good day, Bob.
And hey, if you fall behind on your payments, we get it. We're not monsters.
Oh, hello.
I'm here for the debt.
I didn't know I owed anything.
Well, we sent you a $20 fine 3 months ago. We haven't heard from you since.
Well, here's $20.
Thank you.
All right.
But that's not all. There's this bill now, too.
Wait, what is this now?
I'll let our lawyer explain.
And that starts my hour. Now,
Where'd you come from?
right there. Now, you've got fees, late fees, late fees, lawyer fees, that's me. Fees for this conversation we're having right now, fees. There's a raccoon fee in there. Yeah, the raccoon fee. Anyway, it comes to $11,067.38.
Hey, wait, I can't afford that.
Well, great news then. During this conversation, we foreclosed on your house.
I just bought it.
Oh.
$4. Can you break a 20?
Wait. This all feels really illegal.
Oh, that's what's so great about it. It's not.
It's not illegal at all. It's completely legal. I'm a lawyer.
He knows.
I know.
You know?
Yes.
Wait, what the fuck? Yo! Hey, damn, y'all are strong.
I've never been sick of that.
Hey, you want to come into my new house?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
Let's have a drink.
Yeah, let's see what he's got in the refrigerator.
Yeah, good call.
Oh, there's a lot of fun art.
So welcome to the HOA. I think you're gonna like it here. And if you don't, tough nuts. You've got no other choice. Bye.